You've put a Cressida bonnet.
Oh, God, I didn't mean to put that.
You didn't? What did you mean to put?
I was going to put Juliet cap.
Right. But you didn't.
I didn't.
And what's more to the point, it's right over the other side of the buttons. So you put A when you meant to press C. I mean, you didn't even go for B and press the one next to it.
I don't like your attitude. It stinks.
Well, I wouldn't worry, Kim. You'll be fine.
Do you know I find you very attractive?
Yeah, thank you. That's very kind. You've put Cressida bonnet. Correct answer is... It's Juliet cap, which is what you wanted to go for, but you pressed the wrong button.
Well, never mind.
Never mind.
Never mind, my love.
No, never mind, my love.
Potato.